This is Academic Decathlon 2024 worksheet number 17, interpreting data. So when we talk about interpreting data, we talk about the most basic statistical aspect, and we are going to find the mean, median, and mode. The mean is the average. We call that the average. And the average is the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So what we're going to do is we are going to add all of these numbers, 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5 gives me a total of 61 divided by, how many numbers did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. 13, so we're going to divide 61 by 13. Ugh, I didn't do it correctly. 61 divided by 13 gives me, ooh, did I do that? I'm already wondering if I did it correctly. Yeah, well, I don't think it said in the problem to round. So this is a really ugly number. It is 4.69230769 ... which you can't, I mean, I wouldn't. Statistics is kind of exact. So I'm a little frustrated with this. So I would probably say that the answer is 4. And 13 times 4 gives me 52 minus 61. So I would say 4 and 9/13 would be the best number. I saw in the answer key it gave you 4.69. Why round to the hundredths? I don't know. Why didn't you round to the tenths? So to me, that I would want a little bit more instructional answers. I would want more directions on how. Do you want an exact number? This is exact. It's the only exact number you can give. This is an approximation to the hundredths. If you had to give it to the tenths, this is approximate. If you had to give it to the whole number, that would be an approximate value. So you see you don't know what you're dealing with. So the mean is 4 and 9/13. I'm going to give that because I like exact. The median is the middle, but it's important that you understand when we talk about the median. Median means the middle. The important thing is you have to first place the numbers in numerical order. So very important that you place them in order. So when we have those numbers, we're going to want to do 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 5s, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'd count them. Again, I'd make sure I still have 13. That's the best way to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I know that I did it right. Now, when we look for the middle, you're going to find the middle. If there's 13, you're going to count to the 7th. It's a little quick, fun way of figuring it out. But we're going to cancel those out. We can cancel in this manner, but I would count to the 7th number because that would be half of 13. So that is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th number. So my middle, my median, is going to be 5. My median is 5, and then my mode would also be 5. Mode is the one that occurs most frequent. Mode means most frequent, and it has to happen must happen more than once. So mode can't be occurring just once. Oh, look at those numbers. Yikes. Okay. I'm looking to get this done before the students come back, but we'll do it. So let's do this. 111 plus 101 plus 102 plus 112 plus 122 plus 100 plus 105 plus 123 plus 125 plus 100 equals, so mean equals 1089 over, how many numbers did we have? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We like 10. 10 is easy to divide by 10, so we get 108.9. 108.9, and that is an exact value, so we did not round. Now, here's a nice way of listing when we do the median. Median, we can take the smallest number and mark it off. So 100, 101, 102. I like doing it in this fashion where we can see 10. Oh, I forgot 2 100s. I forgot that 100. So let's move you over. So if you make a mistake like that, then we have 105 that I had marked off, then 111 twice, 112. Now I got to move them again because that's interesting. Okay, grab it 105. Let's move it this way. 112, 112, 122, and 125. Now I know that there are 10 numbers, so my middle is 5.5, which is not a whole number. So I would want to find the fifth and sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth and sixth. And what we do is we add those two together. When we have two middles, you add them together and divide by 2. We find the average of those two. 116 divided by 2 gives me 58. Should be the median. I did that wrong. What did I do? That's 216. Silly. 216, which gives me 108. So my median is 108. That would be my middle. Most frequent mode. 112 happened twice, 100. So I have 3 of them. Or 112 happened only 122. That's not 112. So my mode, I can have more than one mode. My mode is going to be 100, which happened twice, and 111, which happened twice. 112 only happened once, because that's 122. There's my dyslexia right there. Good. Next one. Oh, baby! Woo! So I can't turn those to decimals. I'm going to have to find a common denominator, which is sixths. So that's 3/6 plus 5/6 plus 4/6 plus 3/6 plus 1/6. And we can do that nice and that's 8, 12, 15, 16. 16/6, which reduces to 8/3. 8/3 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5, which is 8/3 times 1/5, which equals 8/15 is my mean. 8/15. Let's go. That's my mean. That's a good one. I like that one. Middle. Oh, all right. Now I got to know my orders. So yes, we have 1/6. Then we have 1/2. Then we have another 1/2. Then we have 2/3. And then we have 5/6. Make sure we have we have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle is going to be 1/2. So my median is 1/2. My mode is also 1/2. All right, that wasn't too crazy. I like negative numbers, so it'll get fun when we have to put them in order. But let's add them. So -3, -4, -6, -3, -7, 9, 10, 2, 4, 3. And that gives me -51 divided by, how many numbers did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We like 10 again. 10, which gives me -5.1. That didn't look like a decimal. -5.1. That was weird. 5.1 should be my mean, my median. So I have to put them in order. -10, -9, -7, -6, -4, -4, -3, -3, -3, and -2. I had 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, the middle is going to be the 5th and 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's easy. My median is -4. And my mode, we didn't do that. My mode is going to be -3 because it happened 3 times. Good. All right. That's nice. Which data set has a greater interquartile range? Interquartile. Well, I know quartiles are broken into 4, but what is the inter? Would that be the inside 2 quartiles? So let's take a little gander. Interquartile range, would that be the middle 50%? Yeah, right. It's the 2nd quarter and the 3rd quarter. Pretty sure 2nd and 3rd quarters. Interquartiles measures quartile range. Yeah, I think it's these, right? That's 1st quartile, 2nd, 3rd, 4th quartile. Yeah. Does interrange mean median? Interquartile is always 50%. Yeah, of course it is. All right. So, which set has the greater interquartile range? So the difference. So let's do this. Let's do 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9. So if we break this into 4s, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 50 percentile. This would be the 1st quartile, 1Q. Between here, Q. This is 2nd quartile, 3rd quartile, broken up into here, and 4th quartile. So from here to here, so the range would be 4 to 7, absolute value of 4 minus 7, which gives me a range of 3. And then if we do the other set, so we have 11, 12, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 50%. Here's my other quartile. Here's my other quartile. So this is 1st quartile, those 2 numbers. These 2 numbers, 2nd quartile, 3rd quartile, 4th quartile. So we're going to take the range from 12 minus 17, which gives you a 5 absolute value. So I'm going to say that B has the larger, greater interquartile range. So set B. Set B has the larger interquartile. Hey, nice. Order the data centers from least to greatest. Data centers. Given the data set, I mean, I don't know what I would order from least to greatest. Oh, data centers, meaning mean, median, and mode. That's what they mean. Find the find the mean, find the median, and find the mode, and then put those in order. So mode is going to be 12. We can find that. Median is going to be 11, 12, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half is going to be 4 and 5. So that's going to give us 14 as the median. 12 is the mode, and the mean, we're going to use our calculator again. Oh, I got 3 minutes. 15. No, that didn't work. 15 plus 12 plus 17 plus 19 plus 11 plus 13 plus 18 plus 12 gives me 117 divided by 8, right? Divided by 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 gives me 14 divided by 8, 14.625. And so my order would be mean, least to greatest, sorry. Least to greatest would be mode, median, mean, in that order. And that is good. All right, let's do these two quick. Evaluate, warm up, orders of operations. This is a vinculum. This is a vinculum. We would always simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator, and then do the division. That's nice. Again, we would simplify 15 minus 8 over 4, which equals 2, 14, 15. And we got 224 over 2, which is 112, 112. Okay, yep, 112. And last one. That's 0.26 plus 0.16 divided by 3, which is 0.42 over 3. 0.42 divided by 3. Look at this old math. Carry down and 4, so we get 0.14. What you just saw there, kids, was something called long division, which is you've probably not seen for many, many eons. They've probably done away with long division. Hope that helps. Enjoy.